How to add PDF in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can add PDF in PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your PowerPoint presentation and then select this slide where you want to add the PDF file on. After that, head towards this menu bar at the top of the interface. There is an option as Insert, click on it. Now, on the Insert tab, head towards your upper right corner. There you will see an Object option right here. You have to click on Object. Once you see this menu box or the pop-up box, here you have to select the second option as Create from File. And here you get an option as Browse. You have to click on it. Now, select the PDF file from your device that you want to add. For example, I have one PDF right here. Click on it and now click on OK. After that, if you want to display your PDF as an icon, you have to select this option. If you want to display your PowerPoint as a link, you can also select on link and then click on OK. But for now, I will just uncheck both of this and click on OK. And there you can see your PDF file has been added. You can drag it anywhere on your slide. And if you click on this PDF file, this file will open. So in this way, you can add the PDF file in a PowerPoint. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.